I really want to do some meal prep because I have a super busy work week ahead, and it would just be really nice to have some things already prepped. I'm gonna take you guys all along on what I meal prep for a week that's super busy in a college dorm. All right, y'all, let's go have a wonderful day. Alright y'all, so I am momentarily back in my dorm. I just went to the farmer's market and had coffee with a friend, and I just need to drop off the stuff that I got. So I got some delicious, I don't know if you can see that, lobster mushrooms from the farmer's market. So I'm gonna be thinking about what I can make with those. And then I also got a really good sourdough loaf, which I'm going to show later because it's super gigantic. I also got some mixed apples. It's the perfect season for apples right now, so got a few of those. Just for a nice little snack to have. And now it's time to go to Trader Joe's and get the rest of my food for the week. Alright, so I am back in my dorm, and I've put away all my groceries, and now I'm going to work on writing out my meal prep. So meal prep can really be whatever you want it to be. Some people do super intense plans and literally plan and make every meal that they eat that week. But I tend to just do a couple of things. First, I write out my full schedule for the week and just kind of see what my week looks like. If it's a super busy week, then I might prep a little bit more. But I have a fairly busy week this week. I've got a couple papers due and I've got lots of work. So I'm gonna first write out my schedule for the week and then just write out what I'm going to eat for each meal. I usually pick one big meal recipe for the week that I make in full and then just store in my fridge. And then after that, I just prep some ingredients so I can throw things together really quickly. So I'm gonna go ahead and write out my week, and then I'll see what I need to go down to the kitchen and prep. Alrighty y'all, so it's much later, but I finished scheduling out what I'm going to do for my meal prep. I know exactly what I want to make for the week. I usually try to leave in a few days that I can eat leftovers, because since I'm only a single person, sometimes I cook too much food, and if I don't leave enough room in my meal prep for days that I can have leftovers, then I usually end up with food at the end of the week. This week, I'm making butternut squash soup as my main meal, and then I'm also going to prep some sliced veggies for snacks, and chickpea salad so that I can have sandwiches throughout the week. So let's go down to the kitchen and I'll show you guys how I meal prep all this stuff for my week. So here's the finished meal prep list. You can see that I plan for lunches and dinners, and then I usually leave breakfast up to whatever I feel, maybe just some toast. And then I also write down the snacks that I have in my fridge so that I know what I have. Alright y'all, so I'm all done with my meal prep for the day. Let me just show you what I have prepped. Some carrot slices for the week if I ever want a snack, or I now have this prepped if I cook something with carrots in it. I have diced onions if I cook, for when I cook my pasta, when I do my chickpea salad sandwiches, red pepper slices, also for snacks or for when I do my veggie sandwiches. And also I pre-sliced some cheese. But it's really nice to pre-slice things like this because I am a lazy college student, and in the middle of the week, if I am hungry, I will put off making something just because I don't want to slice or cut something up. So this really helps me. And the last thing I made is a butternut squash soup. I'm gonna have this for dinner tonight and then a couple other nights this week. I'm just letting it cool off, but it's all ready and then it will go in the fridge. I mean, look at the soup, y'all. Just overall super hearty and delicious. Alright everyone, I'm gonna go eat my dinner. Have a gorgeous week. I will see you next week with a new video.